I had a friend in Egypt that was Muslim, and then also I had lots of friends from Turkey,
Yeah.
from Turkey. So they encouraged me, like to go see how the mosque is, and
Aku gelek karo Pak Wahid guyang-guyu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hai teman-teman, selamat pagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga dimanapun teman-teman berada, senantiasa dalam lindungan Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa. Amin. Nah teman-teman, kita sudah bersama tamu kita tercinta. Siapa namanya? What's your name? I'm forget.
Franklin.
Saya lupa namanya. Nah, kita akan wawancara sedikit banyak dengan Pak Wahid ya teman-teman, mumpung kita lagi longgar. The first I gonna ask you, apa lor? When first time you join to be a Muslim? Ini pertanyaan yang banyak ditanyakan oleh teman-teman.
When? Like the date, time?
Not accurate date, but when I met you.
It was a few months before I met you.
Yeah. Jadi, it's not because me, right?
No. No. At the time, I had Facebook, so I had friends from Facebook. Lots of friends that encouraged me, so I went to see what it was like, and I liked it, so I started studying with a teacher.
Teacher in?
At masjid. Yeah.
Di masjid.
Yeah.
Jadi bukan karena dia menikah dengan saya teman-teman ya, dia menjadi Muslim ya. It's not because you marry me, so you become a Muslim, right?
Yeah, no, I was already a Muslim when I met her.
Ya, seperti itu teman-teman ya. Karena keyakinan itu nggak bisa kita paksakan ya teman-teman ya. Keyakinan itu apa yang kita yakini dengan ya yang Maha Pencipta ya. Jadi saya sendiri bukannya alasan untuk apa ya ceritanya yang mendasari Pak Wahid untuk join masuk Islam, enggak. Jadi sebelum bertemu dengan saya, beliau sudah join atau menjadi mu'alaf. Kalau orang sini bukan mu'alaf teman-teman, revert.
Yeah, I had a friend in Egypt that was Muslim, and then also I had lots of friends from Turkey.
Yeah.
From Turkey. So they encouraged me, like to go see how the mosque is, and so I went once and I liked it, especially on the Friday. I really liked the lectures and the in-depth discussions when the Arabs aren't fighting about details. But we're all on the same team at the end of the day. So.
Yeah. Ya karena kadang seperti ada kejadian di masjid. What is that about the fighting?
Yeah, about the details or meanings about certain parts of the Quran. So a lot of the Arabs would articulate, and sometimes get in an argument about how the details should be. But it's we all get along at the end of the day and come to a consensus. So.
Jadi seperti itu teman-teman ya, sedikit banyak cerita dari Pak Wahid tentang awal mula beliau join Islam ya, atau menjadi mu'alaf. Jadi sekali lagi bukan karena menikah dengan saya teman-teman, tapi kalau saya sendiri kalau ditanya ya, kalau kita beragama Muslim ya seharusnya memiliki suami, terutama kalau kita cewek ya, yang Muslim juga, dan itu juga di require atau apa istilahnya teman-teman, ada aturan dari Departemen Agama terutama KUA ya, yang mengharuskan suami kita juga Muslim. Dan alhamdulillah saya bertemu dengan Pak Wahid yang notabene sudah menjadi Muslim waktu kita bertemu. Jadi seperti itu teman-teman. Jadi ya double keberuntungan saja buat saya ya, seperti itu, right?
Yes.
Because so many friends in Indonesia that always ask me, being in America, am I change my faith or gini loh teman-teman. Setelah saya pindah ke Amerika, banyak teman-teman yang bertanya apakah saya pindah ke agama dan sebagainya gitu loh.
Contrary to a lot of world beliefs, there's a lot of Muslims in America.
Yeah.
And the Constitution of the United States protects the rights
Right.
of your religion. So,
Yeah.
contrary to what the news may say, or
Like
what they say about the
in
president, or
in
things like
USA, Islamophobia and everything
Yeah.
like that.
there are Muslims here, and religion is protected by our rights.
Yeah.
So
So no need to worry if
there's all kinds of religions here, but there's Islam here in America. I mean, a lot of people in the Middle East might think, America's the devil and they hate us, and
blah blah blah.
they're hating themselves
Yeah.
because there's Muslims here.
Yeah.
You can't hate your brothers and your sisters
Sister.
in all parts of the world.
Right.
So we just got to get along, and it's not difficult to do.
Jadi seperti itu ya teman-teman. Ini terlepas we not talk about the politics or anything, just talk about our heart, human to human, how we supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
We know better, right, dear?
Yeah.
Islam pun mengajarkan kita untuk
With age
berdamai.
comes wisdom.
Ya, Islam pun we are Islam is love, peace, cinta damai dimanapun berada. Peace, peace. Jadi seperti itu teman-teman, kurang lebihnya interview kita dengan Pak Wahid seperti ini. Apa ya, simple dan to the point saja itu tadi ya jawabannya Pak Wahid ya. Semoga apa ya, interview yang singkat ini bisa menjawab pertanyaan dari teman-teman yang sudah menanyakan atau nge-request saya untuk nge-interview beliau tentang kapan beliau menjadi mu'alaf dan bagaimana tanggapan beliau tentang Islam kita as a Muslim gitu ya teman-teman ya. Jadi seperti itu. Terima kasih Pak Wahid. Thank you. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ini wis interview nih. Loh, lah Pak Wahid kok ya anu loh. Iki mang kok ora empan.
No sound.
But you can get my sound.
Oh, that's